The fridge just turned on, so we'll see what that does for audio. About a month or so ago, I was having an argument with some friends in a Discord call. We got into the discussion of pizza and how to cut a pizza, and I proclaimed that, one of the easiest ways to go about cutting a pizza that you have at home is with scissors, to which everyone in the call exclaimed with dismay, "Why would you ever do that? That's what pizza cutters are for." Which led to a whole discussion surrounding the best ways to cut a pizza and how it is impractical and wrong to use kitchen scissors to cut a pizza. We'll get to that in a minute. So I decided a few weeks ago, before this moment, to put a post on Twitter to help settle an argument my friends and I were having a few weeks back. Using kitchen scissors to cut pizza into slices. Yes, of course. Absolutely not. People do that, ? And depends on the pizza you're cutting. The results came in. 48% of people said absolutely not, with like 10 to 20 on the other three. And I want to tell all of you that you're wrong. That you are absolutely wrong. The easiest and most efficient way to cut a pizza is with kitchen scissors. And this entire video is dedicated to proving that to you. I have never lived in a house with a pizza cutter. I have never owned a pizza cutter before this moment. I went out and bought one just to show you that the best way to cut a pizza is with scissors. Now, a quick disclaimer for the people who said depends on the kind of pizza you're cutting. I'm referring to like homemade pizzas or like frozen pizzas. If you're cutting pizza that you're getting in a box delivered to you into extra pieces, despite the fact that they've already cut it into slices, you're weird and chaotic, and we're not dealing with you today. We're talking about frozen pizzas and homemade pizzas. So this entire video is dedicated to me making pizzas just to show you how to cut them. Let's go. I make homemade pizzas all the time, and my go-to usually to use like flat pita bread for the base, can of simple pizza sauce. I sprinkle oregano on top. I use just like any shredded cheese you can find from the grocery store. I cut up pieces of onion, and I throw on top some baby spinach, plus some salt and pepper just on top for extra flavor. My homemade pizzas I usually bake at 350 for about 15 minutes. I've got 2 spinach thin and crispy pizzas from President's Choice I got from the grocery store. Vegetarian pizzas are the tastiest pizzas. I stand by that. Fight me, I dare you. I've got scissors. We're gonna bake these 2 pizzas, and we're gonna cut one with scissors and cut one with a pizza cutter and see which one goes better. The box says it is ready in 10 minutes. All we have to do is preheat the oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 230 Celsius. Remove all the packaging, place the pizza directly on the bottom oven rack, bake it to 9 to 10 minutes, or until crust is golden brown and cheese is melted. Remove it from oven onto a cutting board, and let it stand for 2 minutes before serving. That's super, super easy. Both of these pizzas we're making today are pretty similar, if not almost the exact same in topping. This is my favorite kind of pizza to eat. Again, vegetarian is tastier. If you disagree, fight me. I have scissors. Shit. Oh no. Go! Don't even need to cut the second pizza. Look at this. Trash. So, I think it's safe to say what we learned today was that scissors will always be superior to pizza cutters. While cutting the homemade pizzas, there was a moment where I was like, oh shit, this pizza cutter cut this pizza pretty nicely. See why they call this a pizza cutter. But when it broke, when cutting the frozen pizza and it broke, I was like, oh, that's the good stuff. So, in conclusion, to everyone who said that the pizza cutter is superior, you're wrong. You're just dead wrong. You're just dead wrong. You're just dead wrong. Although I will say